Well, hello. I've just spent a couple of nights in the best motorbike friendly bed and breakfast. I've been on tour for 2 years all over Europe and it's just been amazing. It's Two Wheels Granada, and this is Liz, co-owner of it, and I just thought it'd be really nice just to have some time to tell people what it is you're doing.
Thank you. I've really enjoyed spending time with you. It's been great.
You too, yeah, it's been brilliant.
So we are Two Wheels Granada, so specifically a motorbike B&B place, so that we like to think we thought of everything that you need, as in you've got drying room, really decent hot showers. John, other half, has an obsession about those, that everything is individually worked from one pump, so you know you can have a few people in the 3 different ensuite bathrooms at the same time without there being an issue with it being cold or not enough power. USB points, I think, is something, and we've also got English plugs, really good Wi-Fi. I would like to think that we've got great food, comfy beds, and then on top of that are just amazing routes all in every direction from us here, really. So we've had people, we are in our infancy, but we've had people that have been here for 3 days and stayed 13 and gone out every day from here. We told him that he was now going to be uncle to our son. He stayed that long. And then we've got, I'm not the biker, I'm just a pillion. I would like to be a biker.
On the Riker.
Yeah, I'm saving up. We've got routes, we're close to the Tet, so there's loads of off-road, on-road, green roads, these sort of tourers. Any type of biking really is something that we can offer to, which probably sounds, I think we almost sound too good to be true.
You do, but it's absolutely brilliant. I came for 1 night and stayed for 2.
And I think we'd have tempted you for longer if you didn't
absolutely
have a ferry to get back on.
Absolutely, and I will be coming back with some people next year because it is absolutely amazing. And John, bless him, even fixed some of my stuff on my bike for me. There's a garage and tools that you can access. There's secure garaging for your gear and your bikes, which is amazing. All laundry services as well.
If needed, which I hadn't appreciated when somebody's touring, that it takes so many hours out of their day of not being out seeing because you're waiting in a laundrette to get your stuff done. So obviously most days you can, when the weather's like this, it can be dried, and have an obsession that everything smells nice with nice fabric softener. We've also got a trailer 4x4, so if anybody needed picking up from anywhere, you can be collected. No panic about that. Welding stuff. I nearly said it in Spanish then. Soldadora. Disabled access is something that we realised we had because the property used to be my dad's that we've converted into the apartment, so a wheelchair used to go in and out. So the last ensuite bathroom that we've put in is a big shower room that's just got loads of space in it, which is also something nice, because until meeting Karina I hadn't appreciated that some people do have disabilities, which is why they're on a trike or whatever. So we're also fortunately, I think, able to help with that.
Absolutely, it's very disability friendly.
That's the right word. Thank you.
Well, I don't know, it all changes all the time anyway, but I mean, I just walked in and saw the wet room and I went, wow, you can get wheelchairs in, and a lot of people that ride Rikers or Can-Ams do have disabilities, not all. And some are in wheelchairs, so it's all accessible.
Mega.
And I can attest to everything you've said. The beds are comfy. The welcome is amazing. You can have food, tapas and food if you want to, at just €15 currently.
So we're doing an evening meal which starts with some tapas. We've found what's worked really well is when everybody's arrived and a bit wrecked, and just chill, have a bit of tapas for 20 minutes, half an hour, and then go and have a shower. Your evening meal will be ready for whatever you want. Quite chuffed with myself that we've managed with Karina's dietary requirements.
You know how awkward I am.
Even though it was a Saturday afternoon. So the shops are obviously it's like going back in time here, that nowhere's open on a Sunday. And I think hopefully you've had a different variety of food, and we managed gluten-free, meat-free,
dairy-free,
sin, lactose, sin, gluten. So it's been great. It's been really good fun, and we had a great day out yesterday.
We did. So we spent a day out. So you don't offer tours and things, but we got on so well, and sometimes you come out for rides. I was going to just go out ride locally, so you took me out and showed me the sights.
So if we've got time, then it's nice obviously when somebody knows where they're going, I think.
Absolutely.
So if John was taking the lead, and then the castle that's just behind our shoulder over there, which is an amazing place. I didn't know it was disabled friendly, so the Ryker went all the way up to castle level. It was mega.
We got up. Yeah. I mean, I've been trying all this tour to get up to a castle and I can't get up to one, but yesterday we managed it, and that vlog will be going up. There is also a short that I'll link to this video, just showing you more and showing you around Two Wheels Granada.
I was just going to say, we nearly lost you down the spiral staircase at the top of
yes,
the prison.
You did. Yeah, I wasn't going to tell you that. Because I don't do silly things like that. Don't believe her. You know how sensible I am.
No, it's been a great weekend. I've really enjoyed Karina's company, and
me too. Yeah,
I feel really positive about all her input and all of her thoughts about what we're doing. So hopefully onwards and upwards. And if you've got any time, or you know, come and spend a day with us, come and spend a month with us. It's
amazing.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
Hopefully
it's
onwards
really
and upwards.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
And I'll see you again.
You will
soon. Yes.
Never escape us.
No, not now. Ta-ta for now.
Adios.